Hello, first grade. Today we're going to talk a little bit about visualizing the poem. Now, this poem is called Recipe for a Hippopotamus Sandwich, and it's by Shel Silverstein, and it's really kind of funny. And we're going to get to kind of visualize what the poem makes us think about at the end of this. So here's the poem. A hippo sandwich is easy to make. All you do is simply take one slice of bread, one slice of cake, some mayonnaise, one onion ring, one hippopotamus, one piece of string, a dash of pepper. That ought to do it. Now comes the problem, biting into it. All right, that's kind of a funny poem. And I'm going to read it one more time. And I want you, as I'm reading now, think of all the different words that Shel Silverstein is using in this poem called A Recipe for a Hippopotamus Sandwich. And think of all the pictures in your mind. And then I'm going to show you a picture I came up with about this poem by Shel Silverstein with all the fancy words and the funny words in here. Okay, here we go again. A hippo sandwich is easy to make. All you do is simply take one slice of bread, one slice of cake, some mayonnaise, one onion ring, one hippopotamus, one piece of string, a dash of pepper. That ought to do it. And now comes the problem, biting into it. All right, boys and girls, did you get a lot of funny pictures in your mind about what this might look like? All right, well, I did too, and this is what I came up with, and this is called visualizing. So you hear all the words, and then you come up with pictures in your mind of what it might look like. So that's called visualize. And here's how I visualized the hippopotamus sandwich. There he is. Looks kind of silly. The big hippopotamus. Then on his back is the piece of cake with the onion ring and a little bit of mayonnaise there by the onion ring. He's got the slice of bread under his belly, and it's all tied together with that piece of string. Well, that's my visualization for the poem called Recipe for a Hippopotamus Sandwich, and you will get an opportunity to visualize your own poem on one of the other activities. All right, good job, first grade. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.